and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, we've come to the Vado Hotel here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Got a room here for the evening, so let's just go and check it out. The Vado Motel, or the Vado Auto Court Motel, as it is originally called, opened in Albuquerque in 1937. It originally consisted of 32 rooms, interspersed with covered carports. It was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1993. It remained open until 2005. At that time, a new developer bought the property, and the motel was in danger of being demolished. Some preservationists and the city stepped forward to save the motel and were successful in doing so in 2010. After extensive renovations, including adding a swimming pool and a tap room and a couple other additions, the motel reopened in 2018. Historically, it is one of the best examples of pre-World War II unaltered tourist courts along Route 66 in New Mexico. All right, here is my room. I am in the Packard room. This room here, it's named after, because this used to be one of the carports. And it's been converted into a motel room. And we're just going to give you a short room tour here. Ooh, robes. Here's a look out the window here. Got a bunch of trees right there, so people can't peek in. So this note and bottle of alcohol were found inside the wall of one of these buildings when they did the reconstruction, and it's got the names of 3 individuals, and basically it says, "We built this," and it's got the dates when they built it. Pretty cool artifact.
Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures of TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon, or even here on YouTube, and making a donation at either one of those places. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.